Okay, Mahi, you can do this. But how? Working full-time and studying for ACCA, it's starting to feel like climbing the Everest without the gear. Where do I even begin? I mean, I love accounting, but with my job taking most of my time, how can I fit in my study hours? And then there's mock exams, past exams. How do I squeeze in all of that, yaar? I just don't understand anything.
If you're feeling torn between pursuing your ACCA studies and managing your work commitments, don't worry. We're here to help. Balancing both can be challenging, but with the right strategies and support, you can succeed in your journey. In this video, we'll share tips and insights on how to effectively manage your time, create a study schedule that works for you, and make the most of your work experience to enhance your learning. So stick around and watch until the end for practical advice that can help you achieve your ACCA goals while maintaining your professional responsibilities. When balancing ACCA studies with a full-time job, effective time management is crucial. Here are some practical strategies to help you prepare for your ACCA exams while maintaining your work commitments. Number 1. Master your time. Become a time management expert by creating a realistic study schedule that fits around your work commitments. Use tools like calendars and planners to block out dedicated study sessions. Consistency is crucial. Short, focused study periods can be highly effective. Even on hectic days, try to carve out time to revisit previous concepts or explore new ones that are brief and manageable. Number 2. Prioritize ruthlessly. Recognize that not all tasks carry the same weight. Learn to distinguish between urgent and important deadlines. Focus on the most critical work and study takes first, and don't hesitate to delegate or postpone less pressing matters. Number 3. Identify your peak hours. Everyone has times when they feel most alert and focused. Schedule your most challenging study sessions during these peak productivity hours to maximize learning and minimize wasted effort. Number 4. Embrace active learning. Engage with your study material actively rather than just reading passively. Take notes, summarize key concepts, create mind maps, and practice solving past exam questions. Active participation will strengthen your understanding and retention of the material. Number 5. Find the right study environment. Minimize distractions by choosing a quiet, well-lit space that's conducive to focused study. This could be a dedicated area at home, a library, or a co-working space. Inform your colleagues and family about your study schedule to help reduce interruptions. Number 6. Utilize technology. Take advantage of the many online resources and study apps available to ACCA students. Explore online lectures, practice questions, and revision tools to enhance your learning experience. Remember, technology should support your studies, not replace concentrated study time. Number 7. Take advantage of breaks. Continuous studying can lead to burnout, so schedule short breaks during study sessions to refresh your mind. Use this time for exercise, healthy snacks, or light stretches. A rejuvenated mind will absorb information more effectively. Number 8. Leverage your work experience. Your work experience can significantly enhance your ACCA studies. Look for ways to apply theoretical concepts to real-world scenarios, reinforcing your understanding while potentially impressing your employer. Number 9. Seek support. Don't navigate this journey alone. Whether it's discussing your workload with your employer or seeking guidance from a mentor, having support can relieve pressure and provide valuable insights. Connect with fellow ACCA students to form study groups, share challenges, and motivate one another. Online forums and communities specifically for ACCA students can provide valuable support. For example, SOE Global offers comprehensive support both online and offline, along with the community group for student interaction and questions. Balancing ACCA studies with work may seem challenging, but with dedication and the right approach, you can excel in both areas and pave the way for a successful career in accounting and finance. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively balance your ACCA studies with your full-time job, ensuring that you stay on track while managing your professional responsibilities. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on ACCA. Have any questions or additional tips? Drop them in the comments below.